Yes, guys, welcome back to another vlog. And today we are still in Pakistan, obviously. And बहुत बारिश हो रही है. जब बारिश होता है क्या होता है? पानी आता है. जब पानी ज़्यादा बारिश होती है ज़्यादा पानी आता है. जैसे आप देख सकते हो तो को नाज़रीन बहुत बारिश हो रहा है. देर चाचू जान. हाँ जी चाचू, बारिश सही.
अच्छा मौसम है, बहुत प्यारा मौसम है,
एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. Yo, it is raining a lot. It's nice and cool right now. जी
खुशगवार मौसम में खुद भी खुशगवार हो जाए.
हाँ माशाल्लाह. बहुत बारिश थोड़ी हुई है. पानी जा रहा है नाली पे. So here everyone prays for it to be raining and that, because obviously it's really hot. So right now, it's only a little bit right now, but need to be careful here. But yeah, you probably realize I had a trim. I think I've been butchered. He took my beard off. Like my beard's gone down here. I don't know what he's done, but I didn't even record it. But yeah, look at Chat's beard, mate. Chat's beard looking fresh, mashallah. But mine, look, they completely butchered my beard, man. Differently. But I didn't even vlog it, so that's the worst thing. Although I would expose the barber. That's what happens when you cheat on your barber. हाँ जी हम अभी आ गए हैं छत पे. ओए बट्टा, हम अभी आ गए हैं छत पे और बारिश रुक गई है. थोड़ी थोड़ी हवा चल रही है. So the cold wind has started. And it feels unreal up here. But this is the beautiful view from the top of our roof in it. Looks like the rain's gonna come still. Looks like it's gonna pour down. There's our masjid. हमारी मस्जिद यहाँ पे है. And this is our village. This is the view from the top of my house. As you can see, absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, we don't get to see any of this at home. You can hear the thunder. I think the rain is about to kick off right now. I don't know what time it's gonna kick off, but the time is very nazdeek. I don't know if I caught that, but lightning and that. Yes guys, change of scenery. I've made it to Meepur, next to the dam kinda. I should show you the view from here. This is the village of Chandrala. Currently sun setting right now. This is the view of from the Mountie. There's our long ass bridge. I'm not gonna lie, all I'm gonna miss here is the absolute beautiful views of Azad Kashmir. It is actually unreal. MashaAllah. Yeah, let you lot enjoy with me. Guys, we just motorbike going to play a bit of badminton. There's a little convoy going, mate. Yeah, it's quite cold today because it obviously rained. We are currently on the wrong side of the road. But this is how Pakistan works. In Mamu.
Yeah, I know.
Pakistan नहीं सारी चलना.
Pakistan इधर चल रहा था चल रहा.
तो चल रहा. तो चल रहा.
राइट है.
हाँ जी जनाब, कुछ जा रही हो? जा रही.
कर गड्डी जोड़े आने.
मामू बेल्ट लाए?
सीट बेल्ट लाए जी.
बेल्ट लाए? Yes guys, as you can see here, this is how the professionals warm up. They're doing a bit of star jumps and that, and now they're doing some, I don't know what they're called, some leg movements, now some stretches, just to warm their muscles up. Not like me, but let's get into it. And oh, look at this technique, unbelievable! What a shot that is. And then yeah, guys, I'm currently the umpire to this professional game right now. Game start now, lads. Now, lads, start the game. Come on, boys. Probably can't tell, but we're going uphill right now. ये न्यू सिटी मीपर है और यहाँ भारी हो रही है, भारी. चलो पूछ गए यहाँ पर अजय को थे तेरा मुझे हेलो गिर at the back. They got the fattest boy in the back. Yes boys, we're back. We got this little ice cream. It's a flipping Oreo one. I'm gonna give it a try now. 2 seconds. Oh फिर पीछे अच्छा ना, वो पीछे अच्छा. That's actually decent, you know, I'm not gonna lie. It's called the chocolate fudge Oreo one. Cookies and cream. MashaAllah. It's not too bad, but I'll get stuck in and I'll see you in the next shot. So, एक कुछ कितना है? Just had a cake, an ice cream from Sweet Cream. I don't think it was that nice, but I tried my best to finish. It was alright, innit? I'll give it like a 4, yeah, I think it's perfect. 4 out of 10. A bit dead, but no one just enjoyed the ride home. Guys, this is the end of the vlog, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace out. Keep on bike ride in a bit.